First day of the year. I get up,
Mel probably
I
knows.
come
Is this
out,
Friday or
and
Saturday?
this is what the engine looks like. I overslept because my host and hostess kept me up till 1 in the morning. And this is what I find. Too bad I couldn't sleep till 4 o'clock. The whole damn thing would be done.
Oh,
I'll right there. All right. Let it down.
Down?
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Just keep coming down. Damn, oh, this is... All right, hold it.
Want back up?
Nah,
Or you want your...
pull the engine horsepower.
Oh, make sure you always roll the engine hoist over your toe. This is cross. You want to go all the way around, or?
Nah. Well, let me move it up a little bit.
Okay.
See if now,
Oh, look at that.
quit, the ratchet straps hooked up.
Oh.
I get you unhooked yet.
Can anybody else stand up without grunting?
Yeah, there's a young kid around the corner. Want me to get him?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh, come on.
There.
This way.
Got it. We done with this, we think? I'll just leave it right here.
If I had that right coming out,
So that's just moving the wheel as you go.
I think unless you fine tune it,
So I could actually get my little drill gun out there, put that on there, and then just take off, no? Or it'll be too fast.
I think that's fast enough. We don't want to go out through the windshield. Keep your eye on everything.
it's gonna get hung when it gets to here.
Gotcha. When you get there, you let me know. We won't let it get hung. We can go. And now. This is the COVID Express.
Okay. I need to pull that
John.
torque converter off and look at that.
You pull it out.
It just about runs out of cable for it.
Oh, on the height.
You don't think that little episode would make me think you're weird compared to.
This is some difficult stuff under here, tedious. He's under there. Showing 950 to 1,000, jumping back and forth.
There you go, John.